Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best window shrink film is probably one of the most versatile and affordable ways to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort, and in this video, we will explore what makes a great window shrink film, covering everything from its ease of installation and durability to its effectiveness in blocking drafts and reducing UV damage, helping you choose the perfect one to suit your needs and budget. Number 5. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep the cold air out and your energy bills down. It's easy to install and makes a real difference. You'll barely notice it's there. The clear film shrinks to create a tight seal, blocking drafts and cold air. Everything you need is right here, the film and double-sided tape for a secure installation. This kit is designed to cover 10 standard-sized windows, providing comprehensive insulation for your home. By reducing energy consumption, it helps protect the environment and saves you money. It's a win-win. Simply apply the double-sided tape and shrink the film with a hairdryer. It's quick and straightforward. What we like? It boasts superior insulation, covering 10 windows. The crystal clear film ensures maximum light transmission. If you need to insulate many windows and prioritize energy efficiency, this is the best choice for you. What people say? These are working to cut down on cold air getting into the basement. They were easy to install and worth the money. Great heat retention, good stickiness of the tape. The film is a decent thickness, there was plenty of tape, and the instructions were easy to follow. I can really tell it's helping with the drafts and the temperature near the windows. Number 4. Duck Brand Window Shrink Film Kit. This winter, keep your home warm and cozy. It effectively seals out drafts and cold air, saving you money on your energy bills. It's made of a crystal clear film that won't obstruct your view. You'll barely notice it's there, but you'll definitely feel the difference. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It comes with double-sided tape for a secure fit. This kit is designed to insulate 5 standard-sized windows, providing comprehensive protection against cold air. It helps increase your home's energy efficiency, making it a smart and eco-conscious choice for your home. Once applied, it shrinks to create an airtight seal, preventing heat loss and keeping the cold out. It's that simple. What we like? This kit is perfect for insulating 5 windows while maintaining a clear view. It offers excellent value for money. If you're on a budget but still need effective window insulation, this is a great option. What people say? These are working to cut down on cold air getting into the basement. They were easy to install and worth the money. Great heat retention, good stickiness of the tape. The film is a decent thickness, there was plenty of tape, and the instructions were easy to follow even though not the best method for us, though YMMV. I can really tell it's helping with the drafts and the temperature near the windows. Number 3. Frost King V73 Window Kit. This kit provides a simple solution to keep your home warm and cozy during the colder months. It's highly durable and easy to install, offering great value for your money. Applying it is a breeze. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have a snug fit in no time. It's built to last. The high-quality materials ensure it can withstand the test of time and the elements. Remember to remove it during warmer months to avoid damage from sunlight and heat. Reapplying every year will ensure the best seal. This kit offers a budget-friendly way to improve your home's energy efficiency. It's a worthwhile investment for added comfort and savings. It's manufactured to high standards in China, ensuring quality and reliability. What we like? It's known for its durability and ease of application. It offers great value for the price. If you prioritize ease of use and long-lasting performance, this is a smart choice. What people say? Moved into a new house recently, and when winter rolled around, I noticed a window would let cold air into the house, especially on windy days. I didn't have time to reseal the windows, so got this given the price, and it works really well. It's a night and day difference. Have been using these shrink window kits for years. Follow directions for easy placement on the window. Yes, they work. Yes, you need to use a hairdryer to make it all look good and helps the tape stick better. Easy off when you wish to open your window in the spring. Plastic a couple of draft windows every year. Easy to install. Fit great and good value. Clear plastic and not flimsy. Number 2. Frost King V76H Shrink Window Kit. This kit is a great way to add value to your home. It's highly durable and simple to use, making it perfect for any homeowner. It's designed for a quick and easy installation process. You'll be enjoying its benefits in no time. It's built to last. This ensures years of reliable performance, protecting your home from the elements. It provides excellent protection and is made with high-quality materials. You can trust it to do the job effectively. It's manufactured to high standards in China. This ensures consistent quality and value. It's the perfect solution for keeping your home warm and comfortable. Enjoy the benefits of a well-insulated space. What we like. This option is highly durable and simple to install. The larger size makes it ideal for bigger windows. If you need to cover large windows and want a long-lasting solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. Very easy to use and apply, very clear and see-through, no air flow gets through. Works well with my wide windows, very durable and not too thick. After applying the tape around my entire window, I unfolded the film and it went up very quickly and easily. I must say that installed, it makes a huge difference. The downside of this particular brand is that the included tape is utter crap. Once the tape is applied, you cut the film and stick it to the tape. The problem is that the tape doesn't do a good job of holding the film in place while you are trying to position it. Only until you hit it with the hairdryer does the film stick. Number 1. Duck Max Window Insulation Kit. Say goodbye to drafty windows this winter. This kit is designed to help you easily insulate your home and save on energy costs. It's perfect for insulating up to 3 windows, each up to 3 feet by 5 feet. It's a simple solution for a warmer home. Everything you need is included. You get heavy-duty film and strong window kit tape for a secure and effective seal. Installation is a breeze. It's designed for quick and easy application, so you can get your home insulated in no time. When the season changes, it removes cleanly, leaving no residue behind. It's the perfect temporary solution. It effectively blocks drafts, helping to keep your home warmer and reducing your energy bills. Enjoy a cozy and cost-effective winter. What we like. It's built for strength and easy installation. It also removes cleanly, leaving no residue. If you need a robust solution that's easy to put up and take down, this is the one for you. What people say. I have a gas fireplace in the formal living room that I haven't used for years. There's a glass front and a grill at the top and bottom to allow heat into the room when the fireplace is turned on. No flue damper. Let lots of cold air in during the winter and made the room and house drafty. The tape fit perfectly, the tape is 1-2. Very easy to put the tape on. The plastic went on fine, though there is a piece of vent metal across the top of the fireplace below the frame that sticks out at a 45-degree angle to help with the heating. Worked fine, but don't expect a completely smooth look if your opening is not completely flat. Best of all, I put it on in the fall October-ish and left it on until just this August, when I took it off when putting the house on sale for showings. No damage to the powder black fireplace frame, no residue, and got it off in under a minute. Before switching to thicker curtains, my friend and I tried these in February 2021 and they worked well. We dusted off and then taped the top, sides and edges of our living room double-hung windows before applying the film to the top and working down. We then used a hairdryer to smooth out the wrinkles and installation was finished in roughly 10 minutes. While it understandably did not work as well as our new curtains, the film remained in place and kept the living room warm enough for the whole spring, 30 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit per day, while being literally transparent. Durable, easy to install and pleasant looking while being mildly effective, this film is at least an easy 4-5. Out of the box, you can tell this film is approximately twice as thick as regular duck shrink film. This film is perfect for those and this will be my film of choice in the future. The tape seems to be the standard duck window tape, but it holds just the same. This film is just the tiniest bit less glass clear than the thinner film, but not noticeable once it was shrunk and the curtains were back up. From the outside, I cannot tell any difference at all between the regular film and this thicker film. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.